Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen CR35 Crafter long wheelbase in the Trendline model. This vehicle comes with the high roof option as well as business pack and only features delivery miles on the vehicle. The van comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Across the front of the vehicle is a part-coloured front bumper. The van also comes with front parking sensors. The van sits on the 16-inch steel wheels with the 20-hole design and comes with a full-size steel spare. To the rear of the vehicle, the van comes with the 270-degree hinge barn doors, providing a versatile loading options. Inside the load area, it comes with multiple lashing points, as well as a factory fresh condition. There is a single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind which is a very spacious load area. There are yellow grab handles on every entrance and exit, making it easier to enter and exit the van. Up front in the driver's cockpit, there is a single chair with a single armrest for the driver and a twin-seater passenger bench with additional storage underneath. Plenty of leg space as well as a few creature comforts such as a 12-volt and a USB-C outlets. And the van comes with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system along with a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. This vehicle comes with a minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.